Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss the recent Silicon Valley Bank crash and how it might affect your finances. This has been one of the biggest banking collapses in recent times and has left many people wondering what this means for them. We're going to dive deep into the details and explore the potential impact of this event on the global economy and your personal finances. The Silicon Valley Bank was a major financial institution that provided banking and investment services to millions of people worldwide. However, in recent weeks, it has become clear that the bank was struggling with a number of financial problems, including massive debt, bad loans, and mismanagement. This led to a dramatic crash in the bank's stock price, which has sent shockwaves throughout the financial world. The Silicon Valley Bank was a major player in the global financial market, and its collapse is expected to have a significant impact on the economy. As the bank fails, it will cause a ripple effect throughout the financial industry, potentially leading to a domino effect of financial failures. This could lead to a recession, with many people losing their jobs, businesses failing, and investments losing value. For individuals, the Silicon Valley Bank crash could have a direct impact on their finances. Those who had invested in the bank's stocks, bonds, or other financial products may experience significant losses. Furthermore, the bank's collapse could affect the overall stability of the financial market, leading to higher interest rates, tighter credit, and reduced access to loans. So, what can you do to protect your finances in the wake of the Silicon Valley Bank crash? Firstly, it's important to keep an eye on your investments and make sure that you're not overexposed to any one financial institution. You may also want to consider diversifying your portfolio to reduce risk. Additionally, it's a good idea to monitor your credit score and make sure that you're not taking on too much debt. In conclusion, the Silicon Valley Bank crash is a stark reminder of the importance of sound financial management and the need to protect your finances against unforeseen events. While the full impact of this event is yet to be seen, it's clear that the fallout will be felt for years to come. By taking proactive steps to manage your finances and reduce your risk exposure, you can help ensure that you're better prepared for whatever the future may hold.